The Kitten and the Cake. One Saturday morning, Ellie was baking her first cake in the kitchen. There were bowls everywhere. The table was covered in flour, and her kitten, Mickey, was watching her every move. "This is going to be a masterpiece, Mickey," said Ellie, stirring the batter. "The real masterpiece here is me, not your cake," huffed the kitten, licking his paw. Ellie laughed and put the batter into the oven. "Just don't touch the frosting while I'm washing the dishes, okay?" But as soon as Ellie turned her back, Mickey jumped onto the table. The bowl of frosting looked way too tempting. "Just a tiny taste to check if it's sweet," mumbled the kitten, dipping his paw into the frosting. The frosting was so delicious that Mickey couldn't stop. Soon, his whiskers, paws, and even his tail were covered in frosting. When Ellie returned, she found Mickey right in the middle of the bowl. "Mickey, what have you done?" she cried. The kitten tried to climb out, but slipped and tumbled to the floor. Ellie was about to scold him, but when she saw Mickey covered in frosting, she burst out laughing. "You look like a cake with ears!" Mickey let out a guilty meow. "Well, at least I helped you test the frosting. It's perfect," he said, licking his paw. Ellie wiped tears of laughter from her eyes and said, "All right, little helper, but now you're definitely getting a bath." In the end, the cake turned out delicious, and Mickey learned that it's better not to cause mischief in the kitchen, or at least not leave evidence.